Hey guys, it's been 2 freaking months since I've last vlogged, and I am so excited to be back on this vlog style life. I was actually getting a hang of it, and then all of a sudden things got shaken and all that. But regardless, past is past, the future is here.
Girls, they used to play me, teachers, they used to hate me. Used to ride in that Buick pretending it was Mercedes.
Oh my gosh, look at how long the line is. What do you think about those bumps? I think this is not worth the 30-minute drive. This is like Snake on the... You guys about to back up. What the...
Wow, you have 2
That's
lines.
crazy.
1 and 2.
Like, what if I just dropped this shit while I was walking down here? I'd be sick as hell.
So that thing has like a cord, right?
What do you mean?
A cord to plug in a computer?
Yeah.
So you have the graphics card?
Yeah, it's in my book bag. I got it.
Yes sir, yes sir. i7.
Yes, sir.
So what do you have there, buddy?
I can't read. Gonna let someone else read it for me. Go ahead, Mohammed. We're waiting for
It's
you.
a It's a Radeon RX 560.
Okay.
Nice.
We wanted the 570, but Micro Center sucks. So wait, no, they don't sponsor me, Micro Center. You feel me? I'm ready for you. I'll help you guys. You want me to go out? You're still recording.
Open it.
You're doing that to yourself, man.
Put this computer on the side. Yeah. Look how small the previous graphics card is.
So you just want me to pull this?
Yeah, you pull that.
It's not moving.
Oh, you gotta press this. Press that.
this.
Yeah. And then pull it.
Get out.
Do it now. There you go. Now you broke it.
Good.
Let me get that. It's probably better.
That's yours, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Pull that thing up.
Pull it.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Match this up.
Yeah.
Right here.
No. The other way.
Oh, don't worry. I'm on. Hold up. Pause. This joint. Oh, it's right
Yeah,
here.
you match it. Wait, oh shoot. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, I'm a genius.
And hear it click.
What do you mean here? Oh, there we go.
Press it. Push it more.
Are you serious, man?
There you go. Then we got you a free hard drive.
Oh, yes. You know,
Yeah.
giving the cherry.
Let's plug it in.
What about the hard drive?
We'll put that later.
Okay. Because you feel me, the Fortnite was 75 gigs.
Wait, how much you have?
Fortnite was 75 gigs. That's
Yo, that took most of
I'm
it.
telling you.
You know you can do GeForce Now, right?
What do you mean?
Like all you need is a good internet and stream it.
Oh, stream Valorant?
Yeah. There you go, that's plugged in. There. Alright, light her up, man. Is it spinning? It is spinning. Is it supposed to sound like that?
You tell me.
He's working on an update. Huh.
This camera sees clearer than my eyes do. That is trash. I want glasses.
I can't see.
Because you know, girls like guys with glasses. It's a proven fact. Yeah.
It's not actually. Nah, that's true.
You wear glasses?
I'm gonna start now.
You know, I wear glasses. Dang, now both of you got me wanting to go.
Dang.
Yo, you better not got any of that.
Right, you better not have recorded any of that, including this.
And this is sunken place. Y'all just simmer down and do your thing and go away. No apologies. I say what I say. You with me, then you with me. If you're not, then well, it's bye. Y'all just wanna lie.